We're a family-run business. We've got 20 years of engineering experience behind us. We've got 5-axis capabilities. We've just bought a Haas ST-30Y. We have ISO 9001 certification. We are GMC. I've always wanted to start my own subcontract machine shop. For many, many years, working in the CNC machining sector, it's always been a dream of mine. I was working at a company and I came home, spoke to my wife. I was working a really good job, earning good money, good hours. So she asked me to sort of dwell on it, think about it. The very next day I came home and told her that I handed my notice in. So I was able to remortgage my house and purchase my first machine. It was a Haas VF2. I had a friend of mine who owned a business and he was kind enough to let me use a small amount of space in his workshop and asked me to machine components for him instead of charging me rent, which was very good of him. COVID was a big moment for us. Obviously, there was a lot of negative things going on in the UK due to COVID. A lot of larger subcontract machine shops had to put people on furlough or even close businesses because it was just little old me in a workshop. I was able to stay open, stay manufacturing, and work channeled towards me, which is really good. We're a subcontract machine shop. We manufacture parts for lots of different sectors. The automotive industry, pharmaceutical, nuclear, defence, up to a farmer coming in with a shaft asking us to repair it because he needs to get his tractor up and going again. So at the moment we've got 8 CNC machines, we've got 5 3-axis milling machines, we've got a 5-axis machine with simultaneous machining, we've got 2 lathes, one of them being a Haas ST-30Y, so that means the lathe has milling capacity. This allows us to do all the turning and milling in one operation, which would allow us to be quite competitive with the price.